What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you a beautiful striped tomato that's actually worth growing and tastes great, that also tolerates really oppressively hot, humid, wet conditions. Here on the southeastern coast of North Carolina, tomatoes are extremely difficult to grow because our hot, humid, oppressive conditions leads to a tremendous amount of disease and pests very early in the season. And over the years, I have tried so hard to find those really pretty, striped and variegated, novelty-looking tomatoes that I can actually grow here that will do well and taste good. And I've never been able to find one. Every variety I've ever tried has been a bust. Until now, I finally found one of these really pretty tomatoes that has great production. The plants are surprisingly surviving and tolerating my conditions. They're not splitting, and they're just beautiful fruits, and they're pretty productive too. Both of these plants, and it's called Lucid Gem, and I want to take you in for a closer look. It is very strange for a tomato this pretty and special and this novelty to do as well here as these tomatoes are actually doing. And I can't wait to pick one off the plant and show you exactly what they look like in a close-up. It's very rare for a tomato this beautiful to tolerate my climatic conditions here, and I can't believe how pretty this tomato is and that it's still holding up. And what's one of the most amazing things? They're still setting fruit. That is so rare for any tomato, let alone a novelty tomato like this. But it all means nothing if it doesn't taste good, right? And I want you to see how beautiful this tomato is inside. It develops this deep red glistening color, and I probably should have let this go a few more days, but we have some rain coming and I wanted to get this on film for you. So now that you see how beautiful this tomato is all around, how does it taste? This is a really good, well-balanced tomato. It's sweet, it has nice acid to it. It's actually similar to Brandywine Yellow. It's very meaty and very well-balanced, and I highly recommend this. If you live in a very difficult tomato climate like mine, but you want to grow beautiful tomatoes that also taste well and hold up to the conditions, Lucid Gem is one that you should seriously consider because it is gorgeous and it tastes just as good as it looks. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.